Morning guys, July 28, 2022. I got a call from a lady. I was over there a couple of weeks ago and I fixed a connector on a compressor that was burnt off. We put another connector on there and the thing fired right up. The breaker was tripped in the basement because the thing hit the ground, short at the ground. And it's calling me back that it's not running again, so maybe it's something else, or maybe it's another. When them connectors get like that and they get rusty, you try to clean the terminals the best you can, put another connector on it. Sometimes they're fine, sometimes they, act up and melt another flipping wire. There's no rhyme or reason to this shit. Working on old rusty shit. I mean, do the best you can with it. But that's what we're going over there again to see what's going on. Maybe it's something else. Could be anything. I don't rule nothing out until I get there. Maybe she needs a new system. We'll find out. She's gonna turn it on inside. There's the fan run. It's a good sign. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Yeah, it's crusty. She's a crusty one. So I can put a different type of connector on there this time, maybe. Maybe I can put a different style. She's a crusty one. I'm gonna try something else on there. We're gonna try something else. Alright, we're gonna try a different style on there. I'm gonna try one of these styles on there, if it will work. I don't know. Doesn't look like that's gonna go on there, is it? No, that one's not gonna work. There's some different connectors here. We're gonna try one of these. Won't hurt to clean the shit, Mo. Won't hurt to clean it. Should have been okay, but I don't know what happened. Let's try a black one. That should go. like so. We'll see if that works. Hopefully. Seems pretty good there. You don't want to put too much pressure on it, right? You have a problem with it, so. It's pretty good there. Put the cover back on. And hook up the wire. See what our amps are. Try that out and see how that works. Shit happens, Mama. So this is the original flag terminal that belongs on there, but I ended up going with this style here. This is a different style. There's a couple of different ones. Most of the time I got good luck with these flag terminals, but not with this one. I showed the lady, I explained to her what I did, and shit happens.